it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, I would really like it if you would subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And when you see that bell, if you click on that, YouTube will notify you whenever I post a new video. So today I have another dollar store haul for you from Dollar Tree. Yay! I went to Dollar Tree and I used the excuse that I needed a square box of tissues. Really, this is my excuse. I make myself excuses now to go into the dollar store. Anyway, but of course I have to look around at everything else while I'm there. Why not? Why waste gas, right? So one of the new things I found, and I was like, wow, this is really good for Dollar Tree. I got these vases. So it's a glass vase in here. There's a glass inside. I'll show it to you. I will strip it. And there's this like canvas pouch with a little piece of twine and the little wooden tag. Very, very cute. But let me show you. If I loosen up the twine here, I loosen the knot here on the tag, as you can see, and I just want to show you that this is just like a little canvas bag. And look at that, what's inside. Ta-da! It's a glass vase. So normally us crafters would probably make the bag, get the vase, and wrap it. But then you can get all of that in one for your $1 US or $1.25 Canadian at Dollar Tree. Woohoo! So I picked up 4 of these, and I do have a DIY in mind for these, and it was something very easy, and you'll just have to wait and see what I'm going to do with them. So while I was there, I also needed napkins. So that's my excuse. I go into Dollar Tree to buy tissues and napkins. And I know, they're cheaper if I go to Walmart and stuff. But anyway, it's my excuse. So in the kitchen section, I was checking out the plastic containers because I know that this time of year is when they have bonus packs of things. And yes, they had the, like I call these the sandwich size, Betty Crocker reusable easy seal storage containers, and normally you get 2 in here for $1.25, or now there are some bonus packs. They have a 3-pack, so it's a little extra, and I'll take it because this is the time of year that I'll go through my plastic containers and basically get rid of some that they're just cracked or whatever, so it's time to renew them. And I used to buy a lot more of these when my boys were in school, of course, but I have less of these to buy now, but I still need them. And yeah, so look for the bonus packs. Just check carefully because in my store they were all kind of mixed up, and I saw bonus packs of the round ones, bonus packs of the little ones, but this is what I needed, so I got these. And I do not have a tremendously big haul, unlike my usual hauls. I didn't see a lot of new stuff, but I did buy everything that I liked. So they had the little bags of Acorns, and I always miss out on these every year. So I got there at the right time. I snagged myself several little bags of these 12-count acorn decorations. So these are fun for a lot of our fall crafting and home decor projects that we like to do. Over in the makeup section, one new item this time was the by e.l.f. the Cover Everything Concealer Corrective Yellow. So it's a concealer in a compact like this. So an e.l.f. product, I know this is gonna go fast because when we see these e.l.f. products in Dollar Tree, we all flock to the store and buy everything out, don't we? So yeah, it's a good deal. Got that. Oh, and I will insert a picture here. First, I'll show it to you. They had the sweetest little packs of baby socks and little mitts, and they had the sweetest little packs of face cloths for baby. Look at this. And like I said, I'm going to insert the pictures here so you could see the other colors that there were. So in this pack of washcloth that I bought this because it's pink, and I don't know someone who has a little baby coming or has had a little baby, but I wanted to buy one just to show you guys, and I thought, well, these little cloths are very practical to do cleanings in my own home. These are great to use on my computer screen. They're great for cleaning glasses with, you know, the right solution. So in this, they're super soft, and they're great for my own face if I have, like, you know, sometimes I have breakouts or I have very sensitive skin. So these are, you know, nice to use for makeup removal, for just washing my skin, removing eye makeup and stuff. So there are 6 sweet little soft washcloths in here. I think this is an excellent purchase, an excellent deal for baby. So yeah, I got that. By the way, I also use these on Kitty, on Snowball. Snowball has she was born with a eye condition, and I often have to clean out her little eyes. So these are very soft and safe for her, so I use that. In the craft section, my craft section was so well stocked. I'm so lucky that my Dollar Tree gets a lot of the multi-craft stuff. Really, I love it. They have, this is new, check this out, people. Crafty Decor canvas bags. Look. See, look at that. So similar, so similar. Not the same thing, I know, but look. See, you could get a craft bag and a vase, and you pay $2.50, and you can make this, and then you still need a little tack. But look, so I got a few of these because I thought these are such great little blanks to have. They're great bases for all sorts of crafts, and this is a canvas bag, so I don't think that my Cricut infusible inks would work on this because this is not, this is not polyester at all. This is probably more cotton, more natural fiber, so it probably wouldn't take, but I could still iron on something with Cricut iron-on. I could paint on this with some fabric paints. There's just so many things I could do to transform it, and it's pretty as is. I mean, it would be pretty with a little wooden tag or something. So they have these. You get one bag, which is 5.5 by 7.5 inches, or you get the 2-pack, which is 4.3 by 5.5 inches. And just to show you side by side, there you go. So there's 2 in here, and there is the tiny little bag, and these are 3.5 by 4 inches, and you get 3 in here. So I'll just show you side by side here what they are. And these are Crafty Decor from Multicraft. So this might be only in Canada. I'm sorry, I really don't know. So then the other new item I saw in the craft section are these mini plastic containers, these sets of 4. Now I know that at Dollarama we're able to get some little square ones, and they are colored, and look, these are clear. So these are all by Craft Medley, again from Multicraft. So you can get this size, a 4-pack. They are 0.85 US fluid ounces, or 25 milliliters each. And these are 5.6? Yeah, 5.6 or almost 6 milliliters each that it can hold. So basically these are like 1 inch, I would say. And this has 10 of the little containers in here, and this has 4. And what I did just for you guys is I thought, well, for us crafters, definite storage possibilities with this. Both of these are great for small embellishments, especially if you're into jewelry making. These are amazing for storing all those little bits that we have. The only thing I'm not sure of is if the lid comes off easily. They might. So yeah, so this is not a screw-on lid, so it, you know, you could topple this off, but it does hold nicely to show you like that. So I thought these were good. And what I did is I looked in Dollar Tree for a container, and I thought I knew which container this would work. And I found a container, this container at Dollar Tree, and I was able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 packages of the 4 packs. So that's 32 of these little boxes. 32 of these little boxes fit perfectly here. So of course the tags are on, so it takes more room. But basically, you can fit easily 32 of these little containers, or 8 packages of 4 again, in this container that we can find also at Dollar Tree. So you can create your own very functional, very space-saving, clear, see-through storage for your jewelry making, for your little embellishments, for glitters, for diamond art painting, ladies, gentlemen too. You know, just so many things we can store in this. So, and I also thought you can store maybe jewelry if you're a person who has a lot of costume jewelry and you wear it by season. Maybe you can, you know, store it nicely in here or something. So yeah, I was like, ooh, I can't wait to share that with you guys. So some of you might be saying, yeah, but Anne, how much would that cost you? So if you have 32 of these little boxes and one of these, you would be paying, supposed to 10, 11, 20. So you would be paying $11.25 or $11.50 for the whole ensemble, basically. That's what it would work out to. So I quickly, if I do, yeah, let me double check the math. 8 times $1.25, that's 8. A quarter, that's 2, that's 10. Yeah, so it would be $11.25 to get the box and 32 of these. So now I did not figure out how many of these would fit in because I knew I would have to buy a lot more of those. So yeah, so that's it. It's a small Dollar Tree haul, but I thought it was very fruitful, and I couldn't wait to share with you these brand new items to get crafty and home decor-ish with, new word. And I hope you were entertained by this. I hope you're inspired to get your DIYing, crafting, more new words on. And if you did like this video, it's so appreciated. Thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.